Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an instant dosha recipe made without rice. This fiber-rich dosha is easy to make on those busy mornings and takes just 5 minutes to get the dosha batter ready. I'm also sharing a quick chutney to go with this instant dosha. A healthy, nutrient-dense meal perfect for breakfast or for dinner. Ideal to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup of stone ground jowar atta. Jowar, also known as sorghum, is a highly nutritious millet and it is completely gluten free. For those who are new to jowar, I will give more details and the health benefits of jowar towards the end of this video. Into this I'm adding in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Next I'm adding in 1/3 cup vegan curd. Today I'm using cashew curd. I've already shared 4 different vegan curd recipes. Please do check it out. For those who don't have any issues with dairy milk, you can use dairy curd instead of vegan curd. I've measured 1 cup of water and I'm adding in little by little. I'm using room temperature water. Add water little by little. Now mix this really well, and once mixed you can see that the batter is very thick, so I'll be adding in about 1/4 cup extra water. Another 1/4 cup of water and give it a good mix. And now you can see that the batter is of flowing consistency. It is neither too thick nor too thin, but of pourable consistency. So I'm going to allow the batter to rest for about 5 minutes. Since naturally fermented curd is added into this batter, it will help the batter to slightly ferment and also help to get some gut-friendly probiotics. So I'm going to allow it to rest for about 5 minutes. Now another good thing about this batter is that you can make ahead and store it in the refrigerator. You can make instant jowar doshas on those busy mornings. Let's make a quick curry leaves chutney to go with the instant jowar dosha. Into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in about 3 handfuls or half a cup of freshly grated coconut. Into this I'm adding in 2 green chilies. Green chilies you can increase or decrease as per your taste. And for some extra iron and folate, I'm adding in a couple of sprigs of fresh curry leaves. 4 to 5 shallots. I prefer to use shallots for that extra iron and folate. However, if you don't have shallots at hand, you can use 1/4 of an onion instead. I'm adding in 1/4 cup water, pink Himalayan salt as needed, and I'm grinding this to a fine chutney. And once ground, transfer to a bowl. Add in a couple of tablespoons of water into the chutney grinder and wash down the residue into the bowl. There is some little bit of residue on the lid as well, so I'm adding in about a tablespoon of water onto the lid and washing down the residue onto the bowl. So this way you can make sure that you're not wasting even a tiny bit of the ground chutney. And now with a spoon I'm giving it a good mix. Now this is the consistency I prefer for my chutney to be. If you would like a slightly thinner chutney, you can add an extra couple of tablespoons of water. For tadka, I'm heating my tadka pan with 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. And once the mustard seeds starts to splutter, I'm adding in 2 whole red chilies which I have broken into 2. I'm slicing in 3 shallots, add in a sprig of fresh curry leaves, and with a spoon lightly give it a stir. Allow the shallots to turn light golden brown in color. And once the shallots turns light golden brown in color, turn off the flame and pour the tadka over the coconut chutney. It's 5 minutes now, and let's check on the jowar dosha batter. The batter is of pourable consistency. It is neither too thick nor too thin. And now let's start making Jowar Dosa. Heat a cast iron tawa and grease it with gingerly oil. I am using wood pressed gingerly oil, also known as sesame oil. And once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 2 ladlefuls of the dosha batter. And lightly spread out the dosha batter. Drizzle in 1 teaspoon wood pressed sesame oil, or you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oils of your choice, or even A2 desi ghee. Cover and let it cook on that side. A couple of minutes later, open the lid. Remember that I am using a well seasoned cast iron tawa, hence the dosha will not stick to the tawa. Also, cooking in cast iron helps in better iron absorption. So try to cook at least one of your meal in a cast iron cookware for better iron absorption. And now flip the dosha over and allow that side to get cooked. It should take about 2 minutes. A couple of minutes later, the dosha will be ready, so transfer to a plate. Repeat the same thing with the rest of the batter. Because jowar is high in fiber, this dosha will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Hence, it's ideal to include in your weight loss journey. Those who are new to jowar is a millet which is also known as sorghum, and it is highly nutritious and easily available across India. It is rich in fiber, and the high fiber helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time and thus helps in weight loss and weight management. Jowar helps to manage blood sugar levels and aids in good digestion. Jowar is a good source of protein. It's a powerhouse of essential vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. Jowar is loaded with calcium, copper, zinc, phosphorus, potassium, and B vitamins. Jowar is gluten-free, hence ideal for those with gluten intolerance. It is also a good source of iron, and being a complex carbohydrate, jowar gets digested slowly, hence ideal for those with health issues like diabetes, PCOS, and thyroid. The high phytochemical antioxidants in jowar helps to reduce inflammation in the body. So do try to include millets like jowar in your diet for your better health. I'm serving it with my curry leaves chutney and my instant jowar dosa is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy instant jowar dosa recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.